Libraries play a fundamental role in society. They are known as gateways to knowledge and culture, and their purpose is to help every member of the community that they exist in. If you've been to the website of our own John Lawrence Detwiler Memorial Library, you might have noticed this banner: Document Delivery. Now it says here that document delivery is one of the services of JLDM Library that facilitates the borrowing of library materials and/or obtaining copies of published articles and book chapters to students, faculty, and staff. You might have read that and thought, what does it mean? Well, I'm here to tell you about it. So what exactly is document delivery, and why does this service exist in the library? Say you are a fourth-year library and information student currently doing your thesis. You need bibliographical resources and important pages of articles from reliable sources. But you can't exactly go to the JLDM library physically because of protocol, or you just simply live too far from it. This is when you can use document delivery. Document delivery service, or document supply service, refers to the physical or electronic delivery of a document from a library collection to the residence or place of business of a library user upon request. That means you, as a library user, can request a specific document from your library's collection, and your library will either physically or electronically deliver that document to where you are. In the case of JLDM Library, documents will only be delivered electronically. But still, isn't that neat? I do think so. So now, the next question to ask is, how do you do that? First step is to go to the JLDM Library's official website. That is jldmlibrary.aup.edu.ph. As soon as you get there, there are banners that take up the whole page. And one of these is Document Delivery. Click the request button at the bottom of the description and you will be redirected to a Google form that looks like this. Be sure to read the note provided so that you can request your document with no problems. Fill up the form accordingly and click Submit. And then you wait. You will receive an email from the library containing the document that you have requested for. JLDM's document delivery service is open 24/7. You can send a delivery form anytime, but the delivery will only be during office hours. Pretty simple, right? I hope this instructional video was helpful for you. Don't forget to check our website and Facebook page for more information. Till next time!